Are you experiencing an error joining Roblox games? If yes, then this video is perfect for you because I'll be teaching you how to fix the can't join Roblox game error. After this video, you can go back enjoying your favorite mini games on Roblox. To begin, press the Microsoft icon at the bottom left corner of your screen and then search for Apps and Features. Once it's opened, on the Search tab, simply search for Roblox. This may take a few seconds, so just be patient. You can also scroll down till you see Roblox, but to save time, you can just use the Search tab. Once you've located Roblox, just press it and then click Uninstall. Just remember that uninstalling this app on your laptop or PC will automatically log you out of your account, so it is important that you remember your email, your phone, and your password. Once it's uninstalled, you can open a web browser on your laptop or desktop and then simply search for Roblox or Roblox download. You can also search for Roblox install and then just go to the first website on the results page. Once you press it, you'll immediately see the download now button, so just press that and wait for a few seconds or a few minutes for the application to be downloaded. Once the downloading is complete, just press it on the downloads bar and then Roblox will automatically open on your gadget. Once Roblox is open, just log in back to your account and then you can start joining mini games and start playing with your friends again. And that's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.